You did it. Your sheet is finished. We have all of our drawings on there. Now I want to show you how you're going to submit this assignment. So first, we just want to check one thing. Please go back into your section view and make sure that you can see all of the line details. Right now I cannot because I am in course view. Make sure that you select this to fine so that you can see all the individual lines. So that's very important. Right now I have thin lines also selected, so they're not fat. That actually will not apply to the saved drawing file, so it doesn't really matter. I like to keep my thin lines on so I can see them in here. So we're going to go back to Awesome Shed. That's my sheet name. So go to File, and then Export, Images and Animations. And once you leave it on this, it will open up this little window here. Click Image. And we need to make sure that we have selected Zoom to and choose 100%. Then go down here to Raster Image Quality and change that to 300. And that should give it so that it is a high enough resolution we can actually see what's going on in there. So we should be good. We're doing the current window, which is Awesome Shed, Zoom to 100, JPEG medium, and 300. Then we need to make sure we're saving in the right location. So I'm going to click Change here so I can select the specific location. And we're going to go to My Computer, or this PC. Make sure you're in your Google Drive, My Drives, and then you've navigated down to where you're saving your sheds. So mine happens to be in my Civil folder. It might take a few seconds to load, just be patient with it. And I've been saving mine into a Revit shed project. So I want you to name this your name, and then shed. And then we'll click Save. And then now we've named it, we've identified the location, we click OK. And it is now saved. So now if we go into that Google folder, and I already have mine preloaded, you can see it hasn't shown up here yet. Just give it a second. It takes a while to export and save directly into your Google Drive. And there it is. Mine took about 15 seconds. So give it some time. So now that we have that selected and saved in here, we can go into your Schoology project and you can click the Submit Assignment button, which should be somewhere around here for you as a student, and then navigate and select that JPEG image. The last thing you're going to do down here at the bottom is put your JPEG in this Google presentation. So if we click on that, it will open up a Revit Sheds Google presentation. I want you to type your name in here, and you're going to paste your image here. So we can do that very easily by clicking Insert Image from your drive, and then navigate to the folder that you saved it into. And then once you've found it, you can click on that image and click Insert, or you can click and drag it there. And please put it in the center-ish and resize it. Let's get this thing as big as we can possibly get it so that everybody can view what you've done. It's also a really good way to check to make sure that you've accomplished all of the different objectives that you need to show within your drawings. And that is all you got to do.